Hello, greetings from beautiful Greece. This is a very quick video to show you a trick that I've been using and that's proven very, very helpful. And it's extremely simple, but it works. And I definitely recommend that you try it. Um, you can use it with your iPhone, or you can use it basically with any mobile phone. But I'm using iPhone. I'm using the one of the last models, the X Max Turbo SSSS, whatever bullshit that is. Anyway, it's a pretty late model of iPhone. It takes very good quality videos. The quality is very good. But this is just a technique on how to take a video just using this little device. Here we go. Let me show you. Now, anybody can afford a little tripod. It's a great little gadget that you can buy anywhere, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. I don't know how much I spent for this, but it's pretty reasonable. But I think it's a must because it allows you to take a video and keep and do it without shaking or anything like that. So you put it on. I put it on horizontally because that's how I take videos, horizontally. I don't do it for Pinterest or Instagram or anything like that. I do it mostly for YouTube. And so you put it this way. And before you do anything, I'm sure you know that, you have to clean the lens a little bit because it's always dirty when you use the phone. And then when you're taking a video and you're absent-minded or you concentrate on something else, you forget where the lens is. So unless you look at the lens, then it doesn't look right because you're looking left, right, center, and whoever views the video is not very comfortable with that. So anyway, in order to, when you talk, for your eyes to go straight to the lens, what I do is, let's see, I use one of these. It's like a stick thing, right? And here I got a little piece, just very little. And this is where the lens is, and I put it in front. Let's see, here. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so when I'm looking at the camera, I always know where the lens is, so I don't have to, if I'm absent-minded, whatever, my eyes go there anyway. Now, as you know, if you make a video, you must know what you're talking about. And I think a lot of people make a video without having a script, and they're talking about things out of context. Or it's always good to know what you're going to say and put it in a kind of order. So what I do is I take again, stick it. Those things. So I take this and I write down the points that I'm going to mention in the video. Okay. Like that, with a quick look, I know what I'm supposed to say, rather than pause for donkey's ears until I remember what I have to tell you next. So I write these things down, okay? And then I stick the little thing here. On the blue tack or whatever you call it. So that's how it looks. Okay. The lens is behind here. The script is here. Okay, script. It has keywords that remind you what you're going to say. You don't have like a novel there, full text, just a few keywords that remind you. And you just put it at a distance that's appropriate. And you turn it on. And you click record. And then the point is that you always look at the lens because the yellow paper reminds you of it. And you always know what you're going to say because it's written on the yellow pad. So, my friends, this is it. It's extremely simple. But I don't know how many people think of this. So try it. It's will make your life easier and your videos good and quick. See you again. Bye bye.